In today's video, I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT as default assistant on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is find the option for apps and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the apps interface. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for general. Right over here, you can find the option for default apps. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the default applications over here. What you have to do is find the option for digital assistant app and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the digital assistant app settings. At first, you'll be able to see the default digital assistant app. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to select the default assistant over here. Make sure ChatGPT is installed on your device. If it is installed, you'll be able to find this option for ChatGPT. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option OK. Now you can see over here the default digital assistant app has been switched to the ChatGPT. Now you'll be able to use it as a default assistant. So that is how you use ChatGPT as default assistant on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.